Hello, my name is Kate Black and I'm a Professor of Manufacturing at the University of Liverpool, as well as the CEO and founder of Atomik AM, a startup focusing on the development of transformative technologies that are shaping the next generation of advanced manufacturing. But my journey began in academia, where my research centred around the development of novel material systems for 2D and 3D printing. And I was fortunate enough to take that research beyond the lab and founded my first spin-out company, Meta Additive, in 2019. So Meta Additive grew from a research project into a cutting-edge business, eventually catching the eye of the additive manufacturing company Desktop Metal, who acquired us in 2021. And it was that experience that has reinforced my belief that research doesn't belong in isolation. It really needs to be translated into the real world so that we can make tangible impacts on industry and the society we live in. So at Atomik, my focus is now on how we can reshape manufacturing, not only to improve efficiency, but also foster sustainable, happy societies. We're just over a decade into the fourth industrial revolution, often called Industry 4.0, where we see digital technologies that can radically change how we make things. But it's my belief that if we are to truly unlock the potential of these technologies, we need to first apply fresh, alternative thinking styles and challenge some of the traditional approaches to engineering and manufacturing. But I'm also deeply passionate about diversity in the workplace, and I firmly believe that a more inclusive environment leads to a faster innovation, but also stronger and happier teams. So as an ambassador for women in science and engineering, I'm committed to ensuring that diverse voices are at the table and driving the future of our industry. But I'm absolutely delighted to become a member of the Royal Academy of Engineering, and I look forward to working with the Academy and the sector to see how we can collectively advance manufacturing and society.